How to use Pika Swap in Pika AI. To use the Pika Swap feature, which is specifically for maybe editing a certain part of a video using AI. So maybe you want to swap a face or a body or a cloth or an object or anything using AI. Now, bear in mind the video must at least be 5 seconds long and longer than 5 seconds, by the way, so not less than 5 seconds. Now what we do is we open our browser, of course, and go to pika.art and log into our account. From the bottom, you can see the option called Pika Swaps. So what we do is we click on that option. So there you can see it says you can, if you have a specific vision, you can upload one of your photos and swap it in for your selection. Otherwise, use a text prompt. You can choose to upload a video that is at least 5 seconds long, and they'll use the first 5 seconds to basically convert that video into something else. And here you can describe at the text prompt how and what you want to swap. Replace any character in the video with a completely new object or character, and you must make sure that the new object is the same shape as the old object for best results, by the way. So when you've done that, you can simply go ahead and click the create button and you should be able to use Pika Swap. Similarly, like Pika Swaps, you can use other features like Pika Scenes, Pika Additions, or Pika Twist, and so on. So I hope the video that helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.